Hey, how's it going? It's John Birmingham, looking really cool, 'cause I shaved my face. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah. And I'm editing, I'm editing these different projects. There's my mom on the desktop, and it's actually snowed about a foot since this morning, and it has much more to go. And I have been sitting here for hours on end editing. Let's show you a picture of my mom. It's processing one. I'm exporting it in 4K. That video's done. There's my mom. And that's her, a recent picture. She looks really good for her age. And there's my mom's friend Ann Courtson. I don't know if she wants me to post about her or not. And let's see what's going on with these projects. The projects. Okay. This is just a tour of my house and talking about the snowstorm and an announcement about my feature film Rednecks. And there's a video, there's a sneak preview that no one besides the cast and crew has seen before that I put in there with one of the original musical numbers that I wrote for my third feature film. So when you watch this video, if you make it to the end of it, very simply edited, there's information about an additional scene. I filmed a sex scene with a lead actress of sorts, no bottom nudity or anything weird, but this company has approached me about wanting to distribute the film. I'm about to send it to them. So but I'm not going to tell you the details of it. You'll get some of it in that video if you watch my YouTube video, and there's that free sneak preview of Rednecks. So that's about it for that. I'm not going to be drinking in this house, trapped in here in the blizzard. I don't drink at all anymore because I'd rather get in shape. Let's see what this is. There's my giant redneck truck. I'm gonna be driving that out later. Very snowy out there. Okay, so there's awesome news about my movie Rednecks. That's all I wanted to tell you. To watch that video and watch all these other videos I'm editing for YouTube, and then I'm gonna stick on the YouTube page. Okay. Now, if I only had a girlfriend, if I only had a girlfriend to share my at-home life with, and we could go out and do different stuff without getting totally wasted all the time and partying, which I don't like to do. Okay, that's it. As you can see, I need to clean my fish tank because for some reason they started eating tons of food because they're so big, the goldfish, and it clouded up the water really fast. And let's see what's out here. Everyone's gonna know, might be able to recognize the neighborhood I live in. There's somebody adamantly shoveling. Let's see if we can spy on them. Publicize their life. I'll make you famous. Well, I won't make anybody famous. I'd like to, if they wanted to, and I could help them in some way. But Okay, so I'm trapped in here. I made a video about a mouse getting trapped and sending it out in the cold, and then it's a really sad video, and I put a sad song in it because I think the mouse may have died, but it was littering my house with feces, and it was wiping his butthole on the place where I cook up food, and I was like, man, that is nasty, dude. I gotta get rid of this. And so I got rid of the mouse, and unfortunately it may have died because it snowed. A blizzard came right the next morning after I put it out in the cold, which sucks, but I played a little sad song for it, and it's better than getting some disease by by doing that stuff on my mixing with the rat feces in my kitchen. Okay, let's see if I can show you something from Rednecks, the real sneak preview of my movie Rednecks. See if I can open a project. Come on. I'm still getting used to this new Final Cut Pro. It's rendering out some movie in 4K for YouTube. Not a movie, but just a YouTube video. How do I watch Rednecks? I'll just go over to here. Here's the actual movie. Right all. I thought it almost showed some nudity. These are all clips from the actual movie. These are all pictures from the actual movie. And I don't want to show you too much of that because I'm going to turn the camera away. Let's see if I can find something on there that's there's the credits I got to redo and change my name back to John Birmingham. Let's just spy on me. What is this? This is a bunch of my songs I put in here that I can use. There's the sex scene that I had to refilm so that this movie company is okay with it having some nudity, and it's with the main love interest character, so it's not it's not anything funny. It's not like there's some sex scene footage or whatever. But I didn't show any bottom nudity, so. And what is this? This is some video thing. See if I can turn the volume on. And think I've put that one on YouTube before. That's just a video clip that I put on my computer, and that's from my band Animals from Outer Space. It's an original song that I sing. Bye.